You count properly. Emma! Salamat, Sisi, sa tamsak mo dyan. Nakasalang ka ngayon, Sisi. 20 hours. Chawix! Work muna tayo, guys. Kuha lang ako ng mga pangalan ng ipi-play ko. Kasi sayang tong wifi dito sa bahay. Para rin makatulong. Naka-play ka ngayon, Sisi Emma. Yung 20 hours mo. First ako host. Oo nga, magaling. Magalang na Chawix po. Good morning. Natulog ako kagabi. Natulugan ko si Chow. Gising ko nawala na-stop na. Naka-stop siya. Iwan ko to sa'yo. Standby sa'yo. Ayan. Salamat, Emma. Sisi. Hintay tayo ng mga papasok. Yung mga papasok, yun mga ililista ko. Mga papasok. Sayang kasi itong wifi dito sa bahay. Libre gamitin sa mga nangangailangan ng WH para makatulong. Good morning din, tiyo namin. Ayan, natulugan kita, Master, kagabi. Pagising ko nandun ka pa rin, na-stop. Untok na kasi ako kagabi. Basta ako first. Aching! Ay, Kuya Kenji ko, andyan ka. Wala ka bang work, Kuya Kenji? Baby, this baby. Chawix po. Chawix po, sabi ni Kuya Kenji. Ayan. Kuya Kenji, ilan na yung WH mo, Kuya Kenji? Si Bibski, sayang si Bibski, no? Hindi niya ma-open yung ano niya, Google niya. Kaya wala work today, kapatid. Kaya pwede magbabad sa YT. Ayan si kuya. Pwede ka magbabad ngayon, kuya, sa YT. Ano ka, kuya? Mangisda. Mangisda ka para ano. Pareho kayo ni Bibski. Panibagong pangingisda ulit. Hindi daw niya ma-open kasi yung ano niya, yung Google niya, yung YT niya. Kasi yung naka-register daw na number doon sa Google niya, wala na. Kaya kahit gusto niyang palitan yung password niya sana, hindi makasend yung code, hindi niya ma-open. Iniwan ko siya kasi iwanan din niya ako. Sino? Si Mio Mio? Nag-off na ba si Mio? Emma the second. Yan, sabi ni Kuya Kenji. Hello, host. Violeta Galle. Salamat, sisi ko. Good morning. Wala siyang ads kasi may copyright siya kanina. Ayan. Kumukuha lang ako ng mga pangalan ng ating ipi-play. Yung mga papasok, ipi-play ko. Kasi sayang yung natin, Wi-Fi. No. No. No pencil. Isa. Kenji Raj, mega shout out. Ayan, mega shout out daw Kuya Kenji. Anong nangyari dito? Bakit ganito? Baba sila. Wala siyang wala siyang ads kasi may copyright siya kanina. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Mega shout out to you, kapatid. Violeta Gaya, mega shout out. Finish lang. Let me see. Wow. 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 What's that? Wow. 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 Oh, no, that's not mine. Wow. This one? Okay. So funny. Wow. Done watching harang. Hay, maharang ba ako? Wala, kala ko wala. May harang ako, Sisi? Kasi kanina, may copyright siya, na-copyright, na may nahagip siyang music. Ay, meron nga. Refresh mo lang siya. Salamat sa paharang-harang mo dyan. Natin, isulat natin yung pangalan. Sino yung una kanina? Si Emma. Si Emma, si Kuya Kenji. Si Kuya Kenji, ano yan? Lagi ko yung piniplay. Kuya Kenji. Violeta. Ayan. Salamat, Sisi, sa paharang mo. Ano meron, host? Ano, sis? Yung mga papasok, kinukuha ko yung mga pangalan para i-play ko siya ng WH. 10 hours WH. Where is it na, baby? Number 7. Yeah. Let me check. And 7. No, it's not 7. It's 7. 7. Where? This one? No. Where? 7 or 17?
7.
7 or 27? Just so you make it. Yung mga papasok, ibibitin pati warik. Ay, gusto ko yan. Need ko eh. Thanks in advance na. Kuya Kenji. Bibitin ka daw pati warik. Sisi. Violeta Galle. Sabi ni Kuya Kenji. This one. Delikado yan. Anong mas mauna? Yung paa. Ibitin sa puno ng mangga. Count and write. Count and write how many there are in each set. Circle the greatest number. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight, nine, 10. Just 10, baby. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 10, 14, 12. Eraser. Where's your eraser? Ha ha ha. Ayan, Sisi, bibitin ka daw pati warik. Sabi ni Kuya Kenji. Delikado, mas mauna yung paa mo. 12 here, baby. 12. Si Ate Aris, tapos na yata niya yung 4KWH na yung ano na lang banana niya ang hinihintay niya. Wala pang 1K. Wrong. 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. 2, this one will be 2. You don't know what is 2? You don't know how to write 2?
No, like this.
2 is like this one. You see? 2. Write 2.
See? Okay, Tata. Okay, Tata. This is Roy Banana. That one is green. And then Roy is banana. Sit back. Okay.
Wow, galing si Sis Aris. Madali na yun, banana. Dapat talaga sa W8 mag-focus. Yun kasi talaga ang mahirap. O kuya, ano, na-reach na yata niya yung WH. Let me see this. Ako'y nahuhumaling sa tuwing ikaw nawawala ang mundo ko. Para lang sa'yo ang aking puso. Cross out the smallest number. You cross out the smallest number. Cross. Cross.
Hello.
Put down.
Okay. So funny.
Napansin ang lihim ko. One, two, three, four, five, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10. 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 na, baby. 15. You finish first lah.
Yes. Oh, yeah.
Eat lah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 16. Correct. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11, 12, 13, 14. Correct. This only 6, 15. Salamat, Sisi, sa love mo dyan. Si Jawo. Meow. Meow. Busy rin yan si Chawix. Later. You circle. Where is it? Why 12? Why 12? You count?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 15, 16,
14?
14,
15. Why 12? Why you write 12?
16.
You don't know how to count, huh? Circle the biggest, greatest. Nasaan ka host niyan? Nandito ako sa sa bahay. Nagtuturo ng bata. Go farther! Palista host. Ayan, go farther. Nakalista ka na. Pagpasok mo pa lang, nakalista ka na. Go farther. Salamat, go farther. Si go farther guys na ano ko yan sa kay Ma'am Shi Lamon TV. Well, it like this. Don't eat. Just eat. Jeff Lee! Ayan, guys. Hi! Jeff Lee. Sulat natin, Jeff Lee. Baka kayo ng bahay nyo dyan, guys. Baka yung mga iba hindi nyo pa friends. Go farther! Yan. With the love, sabi ni Kuya Kenji Raj. Jeffrey, Kenji Raj. Ayan. Kung hindi nyo pa friends si Kuya Kenji, guys, paki-kaibigan siya kasi very supportive siyang, kaibigan. Ayan, oh. Yan yung bahay niya, Kenji Raj. Mm. Uni Huya, thumbs up. Yan, salamat sis, thumbs up mo dyan. Ililista kita dito. Kenji Raj, I'm your 154. Thanks. Oh, konti pa lang bahay ni Kuya Kenji, guys. Okay lang yan, mas mahirap ang WH. Oo nga, yan ang pinakamahirap kunin, yung WH talaga. No worries. Just, ano yan? Justly, no worries.
Có vẻ tất cả. Excited to hear you.
Minahal na kita ng bongga, Kenji. Ayan, minahal ka na daw ng bongga. Salamat, Sisi Violeta. Harang ulit host. Ayan, lumabas pala siya, guys. Nagdikit. Harang tiyo namin. Ayan, napaharang si Master. Master Chow. Bomberhan, you lang me here. Salamat, Idol. Thank you, Idol, sa pagdalaw. Mega shout out, Bomber ha. Tamsak na po host. Ayan, magbaba ka na ng bahay mo dyan, Idol. Para mapuntahan ka nila.
Cannot.
How come? No more, huh? Huh? What happened? Tunit. Or, I will play again the other one. We play this one. Kasi. Walin Bena, Scarlett WNB. Ayan, Scarlett WNB. Mega shout out. Kenji Rock, sabi ni Bomber ha. Ayan, ang hugotero ng taon. Hugotero ng taon talaga. Eunice is Snow White Vlog. Ay, shout out. Yan, Eunice. Scarlett. Lista kita.
Ano kaya?
Scarlett. Eunice. Hello, Kenji and Master Chawix. Blessed Seeds, 2 years harang host. Ayan, mega shout out Sisi Koy. Thumbs up na. Salamat sa thumbs up dyan. A new art, thumbs up host. Salamat Sisi. Magbaba kayo ng bahay niyo dyan guys. Snow White. Snow White vlog. And then, ano, Gambia. Blessedly, yan tayo ni Chawix po, ang ating master. Miss you. Let's see. Circle, correct? Draw, count, and match the shapes to the number line. How many are there? So you need to draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Count and match the shapes. 13, 14, 15. Correct? Oh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Huh? How come you drove? Drove more. Drove 4 more. Drove 4 more, baby.
Huh? Where?
Only 2. Drove 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay?
Wow.
You see? 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. You draw 2 more circles. Daddy, meow. Sisi. Mm, 2 more circles.
Okay.
So 16. 6. 1, 6. Le- 16. 1, 6. Yes. Let me see the other one. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Your 7 is not touched here. 1, 2, 3. Oh my god. Close. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Correct. Okay, 16. Huh? How come 16? 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 also. Here. 16, baby. See? 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 16. 16. Hmm. Yukis na, thumbs up na. Yan. Salamat sa thumbs up dyan. Sisi, Yukis no. Yukis no. Sasali kita sa nililista kita. Ayan, si Idol Bomborha guys. Kung hindi nyo pa siya friend, puntahan nyo na para makinig ng mga napakagandang mga ano niya. Boses! Ayan. Ang galing niyang kumanta, guys. Doble karaoke. Ayan. Mapababae man o mapalalaki. Ha? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Correct, 17. Correct, 17. 7. Wow, haba-harang. Ayan, napaharap na naman siya. Chawix, the friendly at Pogi miss you more. Ayan. Nag-work yan, nag-work si Chow Chow. So finish this one. Next. Another one. Okay. There. Shiny. Chinese. Work, residue. Ayan, work. Laban Pinos Diaz TV, thumbs up. Salamat kapatid. Sa pa-thumbs up mo dyan. Di ko naghanap. Sabay ako kulitin. Pati, baby. Work mode muna ako, host. Tapusin ko muna harang ko. Harang mo. Ayan, salamat din sa paharang-harang mo dyan. Oo, work muna, guys. Wag natin pabayaan ang trabaho natin. Ito na rin. Yes, Okay, no more. Finish. You want some more?
Yeah.
Later. Laban Pinas Diaz. Ayan, sabi ni Kuya Kenji. Wally and Ben of Vlog. Salamat, Sisi. May LS ka mamayang hapon. Yung mga may premiere yan, guys. Magbaba ng bahay. BJ lang si Sikoy. Ha, hair lang kami ni Togs. Andyan si Bro Wally. Si Kuya Kenji, off day niya ngayon daw. Okay na. Start.
Bawat hiling mo na pagpagising, hindi mapipigilan na sa'yo makatingin.
Baka lang si Tikoy. Ayan. Wala kang prem. Yung mga may dyan guys, may mga premiere. Baba kayo ng bahay nyo dyan. Yung mga may premiere. Naano ko kay Bigski, no? Pwede pa naman sigurong yung white niya. I-recover. Wally and Beno Vlog. Ayan, sabi ni Kuya Kenji. Tapos, then, harang mo host. Ayan, salamat sa paharang, Titi Koy. Akala ko walang harang kanina. Kasi may nakagip siyang non-copyright music. Ay, may nakagip siyang copyrighted music. Nakopy siya sa music ng kanina, tab. Don't make so ugly, baby. And right here, Chinese. Happy Chinese. Bro, Rome, iniwan mo ako. Ayan, hindi ka nakalabas. And this one is Yeti. What is this? Is a rain or wind? Cloudy day? Cloud? Cloud? Oh, you write the cloud. Yatra Travel Vlogs, please drop your link. Ayan, Yatra. May mga link dyan, Yatra. May mga link dyan sa taas. Pwede mo siyang puntahan. Pwede kang mag-drop ng link mo din. Hi, good morning. Good morning to Yatra. Help each other, guys. Ay, si Yatra, guys, parang ibang lahi. Yatra Travel Vlog. Ay, oo nga, iba siya. Taga-ibang bansa. Yatra, support us. Yes, you can drop your link there. And have some link over there. I drop it. You can go and make friends with them. Tog TV. Ayan, nandiyan si Bro Wally. Yatra Travel Vlogs, ayan. Please guys, drop your link. Ayan, nag-ano na siya ng link guys. Mag-drop kayo ng mga link nyo dyan. Para mapuntahan kayo ni Yatra. Bagong kaibigan natin. Yatra! I want to visit and you also visit our channel, guys. Ayan, Yatra. Yes. Kenji Raj there dropping her link. You can go and grab it now.
Tete, I want sweeties. I want sweeties.
Hello sa lahat. Sabi ni Titi Emma, hello sa lahat. I want to visit you and you also visit our channel. Why did you skip? Huh? Did you skip? Finish first. Here. May fight sila. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 more. Hi, Emma. Ayan, hi, Emma. Sabi ni received. Julian Vlog, off ngayon week. Pero di pa ako sure kapatid kung accept ko yung next project. Ano yung next project mo, kuya? I visit Kenji Raj. Very nice. More guys, drop link, guys. Ayan. At si Yatra Travel Vlogs. Guys, mag-drop kayo ng link nyo dyan. May bago tayong kaibigan from another country. And he wants you to dikit-dikit. Kung okay lang ba sa'yo yung next project mo, kuya, grab it. Para may extra income. Yatra Travel Vlogs, thank you. Yatra Travel Vlogs have a lot of links upstairs, so you can go and grab it now. This is my main, thank you. Emma Nidal is my main, thank you. Link ang gusto niya, Sisi Koy. Magbaba ka ng link mo, sis. Gamitin mo yan, yung Emma the Second. Gamitin yung mga ninja nyo, guys, sa pambaba. Ayan, visit also my channel, Yatra Travel Vlogs. My link si Yatra, guys.
Joanne. There.
Finish, ah. Here. You see your picture there.
For every time I have to ask you if you might change your mind. And then
Baby, I'm driving crazy. I'm every day.
Wishing you and maybe losing me 'cause lately I've been writing love songs to avoid hurting, to wish someday.
I already visit your channel. Ayan. Yeah, try have a link up upstairs. You can go there and grab it. Puntahan. Dikit-dikit.
There's nothing wrong with anyone who wants to criticize isn't worth the time.
Baby, I'm driving crazy. I'm every day.
Every time
Baby, it's like crazy. Some more, baby. Visit me also, ayan. Don't worry yet, Roddy will visit you. They are very supportive friends.
Honestly, it makes me terrified. When it's you, but my best friend always says that if you're right for me, you'll never hoping that's true. So
Baby,
take her away.
when you go from me.
It's been a while since he has left. Had some time to self-reflect someone, inviting this to you.
Please guys, drop your link. We need to grow our channel. So support each other. Yan. Natatakot yata silang mag-drop ng link. Drop your link, guys. Yatra is there. He will go and visit your channel one by one.
I'm kind of over so I see you thinking that it works for me. There's nothing wrong with you. Anyone who wants to criticize isn't worth the time.
Mm. Okay, right now, and then read some words. Right, baby. Ayan. Yatra, are you there? Laban Pinas Diaz TV is dropping link. You can go now and grab it. Ah,
Honestly, it makes me terrified. So it's my best friend always says that if you like me, you'll never open eyes to so baby, it drives me crazy. Think about you every day.
Togs TV, Laban Pinas Diaz TV, Image Second, plus drop your, please, please drop your link. I will visit. Ayan. Yatra Travel Vlogs, Laban Pinas Diaz is dropping his link already over there. So you can go now and Togs TV link is here. Walian Bena. Mm. This only here 1, 2, 3, okay, and then finish, and then you take a rest. I visit Laban Pinas Diaz TV. And thank you so much, Yatra Travel Vlogs, for visit our one of our supportive friends from YT Laban Pinas Diaz TV. Uh, and Wally and Bena Vlog, the link is there. Yatra Travel Vlogs, you can go. Yatra Travel Vlogs. All the link I drop over there. You can go and visit them. Visit Wally and Bena Vlog. Visit also. Ayan. Yes, that Wally and Bena Vlog is a Togs TV. That is Togs TV. This one. I visit kayo Jayon Vlog. You visit my name. That's my name. That's my ninja. Jinway Ilocano also is a very supportive friend. Yatra Travel Vlogs. You can go and visit her link now. Oh, finish na. Still one more. One more.
Oh.
We finish. Now, we need to do is to eat. What is this? To eat. To eat. I visit there also. Thank you so much, Yatra. Don't worry, they will get you back. And this link also is very supportive friend
Hong Kong.
from Saudi Arabia. Our JV vlog. Dan harang. Ayan, salamat Titi sa paharang-harang mo dyan. Ayan, say, wait, pagbaba ka ng bahay mo dyan sis para mapuntahan ka ni Yatra. Yatra Travel Vlogs. Get down. Get down. Get down. You're falling down. And support me guys. Ayan. Yes, Yatra Travel Vlogs. Don't worry, they will get you back later. Maybe they're still busy. To eat. To eat. See here. To eat. To drink.
Drink.
To drink.
Drink.
To cook.
To cook.
To harvest. I will visit all your old channel. Please drop my link. Ayan. Guys, magbaba daw kayo ng bahay nyo. Sabi ni where should we see? Magbaba ka ng bahay mo dyan, City Boy. To bake.
To make.
Bake.
To bake.
To peel.
To peel.
To buy. To sell. Okay, you read. To
Eat.
to eat. To
To drink.
to
Cook.
to
To
harvest.
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 To
To to cook. Is it C? Oh, so what is this? Letter. So what you call this? To bake. Bake. You want to bake a cake? I want to bake some cake like that. To bake. Mm. You want to bake bread? Make a bread? Bake. To peel. What you call peel? What is peel? To peel. What is peel? Peel means peel the banana. I want to peel the apple. I want to peel the orange.
I want to say water.
It's not water. To buy. What is to buy? What is to buy? To buy means what?
Buy something.
To sell.
To sell.
To sell means what?
I don't know.
To sell means I want to sell some clothes in the market. I want to sell some fruit in the market. I want to sell some.
I want to sell stuff. I want to sell some orange.
Oranges like that. Okay, remember, don't forget. Now how about this? Hot, hot, hot. Yo, why no webcam? Yeah, no webcam today, brother. Because I using StreamYard and I'm so busy. That's why no webcam. Hot, hot. Cold. Hotter. Very hot. Cooler. Sweet. What is sweet? Sweet. What food? What food? It tastes sweet. Sugar is sweet, right? Sour. What is sour? Sour means
So sour.
so sour. The guava is so sour. The orange so sour. Good. Good.
Good.
What is good? What is the
The
meaning?
banana is good.
What is the meaning of good? Good means,
So good.
are you good? Good or bad?
Good.
Good means Kind. Kind. Bad means, what is bad means?
So bad.
Mm. Healthy.
Health
What is healthy? Healthy means,
means
huh?
health.
Healthy means,
So funny.
what is healthy? What is healthy? Huh? Close, close, close. Close your toys. Healthy. What is healthy means?
Healthy.
Healthy means no, it's not sick. And you always eat healthy food. What is the sum of healthy foods? Vegetables.
Carrot.
Carrots. Fruit.
Tomato.
Tomato. How about unhealthy foods?
Banana.
Unhealthy foods? Unhealthy foods means,
So good.
what is unhealthy? Don't eat unhealthy foods. Unhealthy foods, example, unhealthy foods is junk food. Junk foods like McDonald's, KFC, frozen foods, fish ball, frozen fish ball. What else? Sausage, frozen sausage. That is unhealthy. Okay, you know now. If the teacher asks you, you know, okay? Okay? Now you read one more time. One more time. To
Cook.
to eat.
To eat. To drink. To cook.
H. To her.
To hurt.
Her.
To hurt. To wear.
To harvest.
To hurt.
To bake.
To make.
Bake.
To bake.
Bake.
I bet the head.
To peel.
To peel.
See the letter. To peel.
To peel.
To buy. To sell.
To
Okay. Okay, you take a rest. So this is finished. This is finished. You can keep this. You can keep this. You can throw away this. Throw away this one. What is this? Keep this one. Put this there. And then keep this one. And then keep this one. Put your pencil there. Your pencil. And then what else? So many stickers here, baby. Hope. Laban Pinas Diaz, kapatid ko, salamat sa pagtambay-tambay mo dyan. Ayan, wala na yata. Pag may papasok pa, ilan natin nakuha ko? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10. Ay, si ano pala? 1 and 10 person. Please, guys, drop your link. Ayan. Si Yatra Travel Vlogs, guys. Kanina pa yan, nag-ano. Nadikitan lang niya yung mga ano niya, pangalan niya dyan. Baby, you keep this. This one to share your value. What's this, baby?
I don't know.
What is there? Put
I know what's that.
What's that?
Try pay.
Huh?
I will try pay.
What's right there?
Yes. I will try.
Your hamburger. Lapit na ang Pasko, dahil hindi makauwi ang hamburger. Sabay sa Pasko. Ay, ang dami pala. Ano ba? No. Hello po, host, and thumbs up po, Team Mariners, and Johnson Coaching. Johnson Coaching, salamat sa pagpunta. Thank you for your thumbs up. At dahil dyan, sasali kita, is Johnson Coaching, Johnson Coaching. Ayan, ang Team Mariners from Lamang TV. Cover your mouth. Close natin to. Close. What's this?
I don't know.
Salamat si Emma. Ay, malapit na akong mag-end, guys. Someone like you, there is nothing but romance for you. Girl, don't you come back? Sabi nila, balang araw darating. Thank you, host kanina. Yan, sabi ni Yaya Shield in the house. Walang anuman, Yaya Shield. Si Sikoy. Shout out sa lahat. Shout out all. At sa wakas ay nahanap ko na rin. Finish na. Text kasi. Okay.
Ate, color na?
Time's up. It's time's up.
3, 4, 2, 5.
What's this, Kate? Okay, eat first. Huh? Noah? Eat lunch. Eat lunch. Eat after your lunch. Eat breakfast.
This one also.
You can drink now. And you find help. Mumoy. Mumoy.
I'm so favorite.
Salamat, Sisi, sa pabidi-bidi mo dyan. Magluto tayo. Drew! Ayan, Drew! Ang aking lalabs nandito, guys. Si Drew. Ipin vlog, harang ikit. Ayan, nakaharang si ang ating friends from Hong Kong. Si Yatra, wala na yata si Yatra. Sa wakas, ay nahanap ko na rin ang Drew. Salamat sa harang mo dyan, sisi ko. Lovers! Lovers talaga. Yaya Sir, ang bilis mo dito ah. Ang bilis mo dito ah. Mabis ka sa eroplano. Alam mo yan yan si si Ikit. Mas mabilis pa sa eroplano yan. Luto tayo, guys. Wala na bang Wally and Beno Vlog. Sisi Koy, salamat. Ayan, ginawa ko yung flower na yan talaga para sa'yo. Wally and Beno Vlog. Dahil alam kong it's your favorite. Ang sunflower. Sunflower. Punta po kayo sa premiere ko, everyone. Salamat at 15 p.m. po. Mamaya. See you all. Ayan, may premiere si guys. Si Ikit Jipins. Puntahan natin siya.
Let's sing a song for love, full of light.
Salamat,
Why don't you
Ikit.
sing along, my friend? It's our last refrain. Forever young, never strong, never brave. Memories like this never end. They don't fade away. So when I'm gone, I'll be there. I'm so sorry. Keep holding on, keep holding on. And I'll be right there. I'm so sorry. I'm so to let shine through the rain. The ones who stood for something more won't forget your name. The time is high, stay calm, stay. And all those midnight secrets, so take them to the grave. So when I'm gone, I'll be right there. Close to the sun. Keep holding, keep holding on. And I'll be right there. Close to the sun. Close to the sun.
Depend vlog at sa maingay dyan.
I'll be right there. Close to the sun.
Huwag ka na maingay, sige.
Keep holding on.
Huwag ka na maingay.
I'll be right there. Close to the sun. Close to the sun.
Maingay siya. Hahaha, yayasil. Bingo, akyatin mo si host. Kantahan mo ulit kami. O ayan, kumanta ka ulit. Oo. Nagsisalayas ang mga tao. Okay na sa bahay mo lang, walang tao. Mark, kumanta ka ba doon, Nikit? Oo, Nikit, pinakanta ko, kaya nagsilayas mga tao niya. Pinakanta mo siya doon. Hindi kasi and Bella Vlog. Ayan, kumakanta daw si Ikit Dipins doon kaya, no? Kaya tapos mga tao daw nawala. Nagsilayas daw sila. Keep holding on, keep holding on. Nakabidyo kasi, ha ha ha. I'll be right there. Kain ng lunch. Iniwan ko sa room kanina. Oh, lunch time na guys. Ako din, nag-prepare na ako ng lunch. Social sila. Bilis ng araw, no? Grabe. December na. December is coming. December is coming to town. I'll be right there, close to the sun. Keep holding on. Kain na. Nawa. Chowix po, andyan pa rin si Master Chow, guys. Kain na, guys. Tunak ko naman. Close to the sun. I'll be right there, close to the sun. Buti kain na kayo, Igit. Ako di pa, nakaluto. Oo, ano na, mabilis lang naman. Ano lang, noodles. Yung mga bata. Keep holding on. 1 o'clock. So, ayan guys, mag-end na ako. Salamat sa inyong lahat.